CNC meeting. This figure will be made using the CNC simulator, the late machine simulator. Proceeding to the simulator software. The codes are this for the for this figure. 00001 is the program number. G97 is the absolute or constant RPM mode. M03 is spindle clockwise. S is for spindle speed of 1000 RPM. T0101 is tool number 1, offset 1, which is set. Then proceeding to G0 X55 Z10. G0, the rapid traverse going to the coordinates X55 and Z10, the starting point for the figure or the for creating the figure using late machine. Then G2 for a closer position of the tool to start the program. Then G71, which is composed of two lines. The first line is G71 having the depth of cut of U of 0.5 and a retract amount of 0.5. Then the other line or the second line of G71 is the P6 or the start of the movement or the sequence or the cycle. Then Q7 for the end cycle, which can be portrayed or shown as N6 and N7. Then the finishing touches or finishing allowances using U and W. U for U 0.5 and W 0.5 with the feed rate of 0.25. Then the start of the sequence is G01 X16 Z0 for this part of the figure. Z0 having the origin here at this point. Then the X16 here. Z-axis is in this line. Proceeding to, since the origin is in here, Z-axis on the right side is positive, then on the left side it is negative. Therefore, going in this line, the X24Z minus 3, the tool will move accordingly to the coordinates given. So the x-axis of 24 diameter, it will create a slant shape to follow the coordinate set and move negative 3 or in minus 3 direction of the z-axis. That's what it moved backward. Same with the z minus 10. It moved backward after cuts or cycle. Then x34 minus 30 Z13, and 24, 13, 23. Only move backward, then uh, to create a radius or smooth, rounded surface is to program or to create a line that would go in the opposite cycle for it to have a better cutting movement. G03 for circular interpolation counterclockwise, moving to from Z minus 23 to X40 Z minus 26, having a radius of R3 or 3. Then to then a linear interpolation to X44 coordinate. Then a circular interpolation clockwise go from X44 to X50 Z minus 29, having a radius of 3. Then the program will stop, or the sequence on N7 uh, in the linear interpolation going backward Z minus 45 coordinate. Then after that, it would go to the X55 Z10 coordinate G0 rapid traverse, or the same coordinates as the starting point. Then M30 for program and reset. Oh wait. Okay. Start. Start the program. Ah, wala. Pagkatapos pa nito saka matatapos.
Hindi mo naka-camera.
Naka-camera.
Ayun pa.
Pwede yun. Mag-explain lang naman.
Bilhin lang tayo mamaya sa ano. Sa Pepetra.
Meron lang. Okay. For the final addition or explanation, what is shown in the meeting, the G03 and G02 are baliktad, opposite. Uh, it it goes in accordance where the cutting or the cutting is not applied well because it's not cutting. It goes in accordance, therefore it only slides or glides or grinds and not really cuts. That's why it is changed for it to have a friction or better uh, cutting or contact on the tool and the stock. That's why this G03 and G02 is changed. Another addition is, I forgot to explain it. The cutting of the stock starts from of course, the outer surface and not in the middle. So my explanation uh, is in the opposite way. Or basically, it starts at the outer part, then it's moving on its way towards the inner middle part.